In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache and delete cookies on Google Chrome. If you've ever noticed your browser running a bit sluggish or had issues loading web pages properly, it might be time to give it a little spring cleaning. Don't worry, it's a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, you'll need to start with your Chrome browser open. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That's your menu button. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find a variety of options that help you customize your browsing experience. Next, from this drop-down menu, go ahead and select Settings. This action will take you to Google Chrome's main settings page. On this page, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. This sidebar is your navigation tool to access different sections of the settings. You should be able to spot an option called Privacy and Security. Click on that, and you're on the right track. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. This is the feature that will help you manage what's accumulated in your browser memory and cookies. Give that a click, and a pop-up window will appear. This window gives you several choices to refine how you clear data. Very useful if you're not wanting to delete everything. Within this pop-up, you'll see a drop-down menu named Time Range. If it's your first time doing this or you want to be thorough, I recommend selecting All Time. This ensures you're clearing out all stored cache and cookies without leaving any corners untouched. Of course, if you'd prefer to hold on to data from the last week or so, you can adjust the time frame accordingly. As you move forward in the pop-up, you will notice checkboxes beside different categories. You should focus on 2 main ones: cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Make sure these boxes are checked as they represent the data that can most frequently affect your browsing speed and the way sites load. Finally, direct your attention to the action button labeled Clear Data. Once you click this, Chrome will start purging all caches and cookies based on your selected criteria. This step might take a few moments, especially if it's been a while since your last cleanup, but be patient. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully learned how to clear out cache and cookies in Google Chrome. It's a little trick that can make a big difference in your browsing efficiency. Feel free to revisit this process whenever you feel your browser needs a reboot. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.